Are you an international pharmacist dreaming of a career in Ireland? Well, this video is for you. Because PSI Equivalence Examination could be your next big milestone. This exam is part of TCQR route, designed for pharmacists who are trained outside EU or EEA. But here is the catch. You will only be asked to take it if PSI's holistic assessment finds gap in your academic or practice training. So what's this exam? Well, there are two parts. First part is MCQ, where you will be tested based on your basic pharmacy understanding. That will include your pharmacy sciences, pharmaceutical knowledge, and clinical pharmacy understanding. And the other part is OSCE, where the real challenges begin. In this part, you will be tested based on real-world scenarios that includes patient counseling, legal compliance, and critical decision-making in real world. And what about the exam fees? Well, 500 euros just for your application, 1,000 euros for your assessment, and 3,000 euros for the exam itself, and the overall cost around 4,500 euros. Well, now you'll be thinking, how to prepare? You can start preparing by the indicative syllabus given by PSI. You can start focusing on Irish pharmacy and ethics, clinical pharmacy and therapeutics, communication skills, and core sciences like pharmacology and pharmaceutics. What about recommended books? You can start by Alton's Pharmaceuticals and Rang and Dell's Pharmacology. But the truth is, preparing alone can be overwhelming. And that's where Alite Expertise steps in. Alite Expertise offers you structured and expert-led preparation courses that has helped many pharmacists succeed. And here you will get full syllabus coverage, mock test, OSCE training, flexible learning program, and a proven result from top performing candidates. And if you're serious about your pharmacy career in Ireland, then just comment PSI in the comments and our team at Alite Expertise will reach out to you to guide you further. And for more such updates, watch this blog. And yes, found this video helpful? Like this video, share this video, subscribe to Alite Expertise for latest updates on PSI and Ireland. And yes, don't forget to hit that bell icon so that you don't miss on such great updates.